Hey guys, what's up? Matthew Coleman here, and today I want to make a quick video for you guys out there trying to build a wardrobe on a budget, not sure where to start. I got you covered. Alright, so for this one, I thought it would be a good idea to give you 3 pieces for tops, bottoms, shoes, and outerwear, and of course accessories. So, first and foremost, let's start with what we got up top. Shirts, right? If we're going for budget and building a wardrobe, I want to give you guys pieces that are going to be durable and versatile. I think every closet deserves a good black shirt and a strong white shirt. These tees are gonna be your go-tos when you're coming down to layering. It's a must for every single closet, not a bad starting point right there. If you wanna jazz it up a bit, I would say Henley. Get a nice detail with the buttons up top here. This one is from a local brand here in California called Henley, H-N-L-Y. Long sleeve and open neck gives you a lot of versatility and more options for style. I like rocking it open a little bit. Okay, next up, I would recommend getting some buttons in the game. I personally think, buttons will add a lot of flair, a lot of style. You can go up or down. I tend to wear short sleeve, really silky, lightweight stuff here in California a lot, but if you live in cold areas, go for a long sleeve. Definitely get some buttons in the situation. Thirdly, sweatshirt. What I'm wearing currently. This is good to be dressed up, or you could wear with a pair of jeans. If you don't want to wear one of those stiff dress shirts, but you still want to come off classy, sweatshirt, always a go-to option. So, this one I believe is from Bonobos. Got it around like 30 bucks. Solid investment. I use this thing all the time. So now going downward, we're talking about the pants. Now, crowd favorite would be jeans, of course, right? It's what we wear most of the time. If you're on a budget, there's some good options at the fast fashion places, but if you're willing to spend a little bit more, and I've done a video on this before, so if you haven't seen that, be sure to check that out. But investing in a pair of jeans that are, about $100 to $150, like this one from J Brand, these dark indigos. I've had these for about 4 years now, and they're still great. And these page black jeans, the Linux, I wear these both all the time still, and I got these, like I said, like 4 or 5 years. They're still kicking, so I think it's highly worth the investment if you're trying to put that money into your wardrobe. But if you don't have the budget, feel free to go to H&M or Zara, one of those guys, and you can still get pretty close quality, but it just might not last as long. The next pant that I would recommend is a good pair of trousers, wool trousers. I get a thicker pair for so you're covered on the warmer days. Once again, on the versatility, you could dress it down with some streetwear and some Converse, or you could put some boots with this and an overcoat, and it's a really classy thing. A pair of white sneakers and like a long sleeve, and you're just out comfortable and classy. So I think this is a really versatile piece that should be in every man's closet. The wardrobe would not be complete without a pair of slacks. I personally fancy Ted Baker in this category. I got these on sale for probably about $90 at an outlet, actually. If you're gonna get classy, put some dress shoes on, you have to have some slacks. These will last you a long time as well, so definitely worth the investment. All right, next up, we got shoes. And if you ask me, it's the most important thing. You put a classy pair of shoes on an okay outfit and it looks great. It's like a car. You put nice wheels on an okay car, it looks amazing. All I know is you put these shoes on, you feel good, you walk differently, and it completes any outfit just the way you want. Let's hop into 3 shoes that every man should have in his closet, plus I got an extra for you guys. All right, this is a no-brainer for me. High top pair of Converse. Black, you can get the black or the white, but these are the best value and they still kick ass. Streetwear, I love these for you every day. If you need to work out, which you should be, I personally am rocking these Boosts right now, these Ultra Boosts from Adidas. They are good shoes. These are $180. These were given to me, but I would recommend getting maybe last year's version for much cheaper. They're good for just casual gym, running around the neighborhood. That's what I use them for mostly. Every man needs an athletic shoe, and Adidas is killing it right now. Next item, the Chelsea boot. Black suede. These were one of the first shoes I got when I was getting into fashion, and it immediately just got a ton of compliments. People were like, whoa, where'd you get those? And they're literally Aldo. I think I spent like 95 bucks on these. And as you can tell, they're still in great condition. Aldo sells a ton of these. And the thing I like about them is how they are flat at the top here and not too curved. I don't like when there's a big curve, so they flatten out at the end, but not too much. And they have just a great shape to them, so some would call that a beautiful silhouette. Now, for extras, because you gotta have more than 3 pairs of shoes. This is a go-to for me as well. These are my Koyos. These ones are built to last, that's why they cost a little bit more. I mean, obviously they're all white, they match with anything. But you can put these with trousers, jeans, pants, slacks. Okay, now I know we're talking about building a budget wardrobe, and these are pretty high in the price range, to be honest. But I did make an entire video on my white shoes and other options out there, so feel free to check that video out if you have not seen it. All right, next up, we got outerwear. And I'm gonna warn you, if you're on a budget, this is a danger zone. Luckily, I got you covered with these pieces right here. The denim jacket. You can wear this just about any season of the year as long as it doesn't get too cold out. It's gonna last. Very durable. Layer this with almost anything. And which leads me to my next piece. Hoodie. Boom. Boom. This one's from Everlane. This one's from Distilled. I think they're in the $40 to $50 range. Very strong fabric. You know, you could wear this on a pretty much daily basis and get away with having a clean wardrobe. I think the hood always adds a nice little street effect. Kind of gives you an athletic vibe. Always a big fan of the hoodie. If you've seen my past videos, you probably know that, but. And we got the feather puffer jacket. Lightweight, very comfortable, easy to wear, easy to layer with. This feather kind of zipper here. Uniqlo makes a great one. This one is from Zara. They'll run you about 40, 50 bucks and tons of color options. I like the black one because it goes with anything. You could pair this with a denim jacket, a blazer, a bomber jacket, and it's gonna keep you warm through any season. So really great piece to have in your wardrobe. Next up, we got accessories. And the 3 big ones for me would be watches, frames, and rings. Now, for watches, I think Timex, if you're on a budget, is a great option. This was under $100, and as an alternative, a Daniel Wellington here. I think they run a couple hundred. Very sleek, classy. I like the white face because if you're wearing a white shirt or white shoes, it really matches well. As far as frames go, if you're trying to look a little sophisticated, get that little extra pop, these would be Warby Parker. Great option. Find what frame works for you though. I mean, this is one of those things you might need to go to the store and try them on. These ones I found fit me perfect, so I literally got 2 of them. But these are 95 bucks a pop, and I think they do a great job. I mean, they help me see, and they look really cool in my opinion. So now that would bring me to my next accessory. Rings, baby. These are cool to bust out if you're you know wearing a little bit of a streetwear, or you know, trying to add up some flair, a little edginess. I kind of went cheap on these myself because I'm not into buying super expensive jewelry. These are all from Top Man. 10 bucks? 15 bucks at most. So you could layer them too, which I like to do, and you could, you know, just have a little fun with any street outfit, or if you're trying to add some flair to your style. All right guys, so that's it. I did my best here to stay on the budget line, but I think this should give you a good base if you're trying to build your wardrobe, and you might not be able to do this all at the same time. It's not too many people can, so you know, just kind of peck at it and, you know, slowly add items to your wardrobe, and before you know it, you'll be styling. Trust me. But that's gonna do it for me. If you like this video, give me a like, a subscribe if you haven't already. And if you think, you know, I forgot any items, or think something should be added, or just want to say what's up, hit me in the comments, and I'll be sure to reply to you guys soon. Other than that, stay on point, and talk to you guys soon. Peace.